What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I think today is day 12 or 13 of Vlogmas. I don't even know anymore. I'm just recording every day and giving you guys vlogs at this point, but I'm loving it. I'm not, today is Tuesday. I don't have too much going on. You guys see I was able to get my eyebrows done last night. Lashes are done. I have a hair appointment tomorrow. I'm trying a different type of hairstyle for me anyways. So I'm looking forward to that. Today nothing much is going on. What is it? It is 1 o'clock. I'm getting ready to force myself to eat because you guys know I've been working out, so I'm trying to keep up with my protein intake. So I'm doing glutamine and 2 scoops of the organic Vega protein powder. This is the chocolate one. I like these two together. Once I blend it up, honestly, to me, I think it tastes like a Frosty, but I like to add a scoop of almond butter into mine. You guys know that if you watched my last vlog. So that's what I'm getting ready to do right now. I'm fixing me a breakfast or a lunch smoothie, and then I have this fruit bowl with some nuts. I don't do nothing too crazy. This year so far I've lost 27 pounds. Can we hear a little commotion for that? 27 pounds so far this year, and I feel like that's because I work out inconsistently, but this will be month 2 in the gym every day. Like, me and my sister go Monday through Friday, but last week we couldn't go Thursday and Friday, and then this week we probably won't be able to go tomorrow and Thursday and Friday. So because you guys know I'm going to California to my brother's baby shower. He's finally giving us a baby. He's finally making me an auntie. That's number 1. I'm sorry, y'all. This fruit and nuts is really good. I'm smacking. But I'm making some dinner. I made chicken and broccoli Alfredo and some garlic bread. I don't even know if I'll eat that. I have a salad in the refrigerator. I should have kept some chicken off to the side and put it on top of my salad, but that's what makes it so hard. Like, when you trying to eat better and diet and work out, it's like, but you're responsible for cooking a meal for the whole entire house. It gets hard because they don't want to eat healthy, and I don't want to eat bad, but they have to eat. So I don't know what I'm gonna eat today, because I don't really want chicken and broccoli Alfredo. My husband and my kids love Alfredo. We love anything pasta, but I'm trying to stay away from pasta. So yeah, I have my smoothie and my fruit. I'll probably eat a salad later on after the gym and a smoothie or something, but yeah, other than that, this is literally my favorite. I made it a little bit watery. I didn't have that much ice. It's good. That's that almond butter. This is good. And 2 scoops is 150 calories and 21 grams of protein, so that's great, and it's vegan. I did run out of almond milk. I put a little bit of almond milk. I might have had like a half a cup left, so a half a cup of the almond milk, It's probably about 40 calories. So altogether, this smoothie might have ran me a good, like, it's no calories at all for real. I think it was like 180, 190, 200 calories, whatever. But that's good. I'm gonna sit down and eat my breakfast. I'm actually editing a video right now. Y'all remember when I got that poinsettia from Aldi's? Why is it dead already? Are y'all listening to this SZA album? So I'm actually almost done with editing this video. I'm almost done editing this video. I think I'm going to, cause I still got like fall decorations outside. Like I still got my pumpkin and my hay bales from Halloween outside. Judge someone else. The inside of the house is Christmas ready, but I need to go and get those pumpkins and stuff. Our outside Christmas decorations are in our garage, and I think I just got like, I don't even know what I have in there, honestly. Excuse me, but the sun is shining. My freaking winter coat is in Deron's car, so I'm gonna just throw a little sweater on and go out here. And because DJ asked me this morning, he was like, I think we should decorate outside. Well, that's his way of telling me that he wants his outside decorations put up. So I think I'm gonna do that now, so that way whenever he gets home, he'll be happy. So
you know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Did I see? No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one that seem my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife.
My kids, well, DJ is gonna be so mad. I'm out of breath. First of all, I don't know where all our Christmas decorations are. We have 2 blow-ups outside. That's it. I could have swore we had another one, and I had some garland and some lights, but some, I guess, not. I'm gonna have to call Deron to see, because I don't know. Ooh, that just wore me out, babes. Oh. All right. I'm getting ready to finish editing this video. I really be all over the place all day long, but I'm getting ready to edit this video, and I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. So I just left the gym. Never mind my sweater. This is like my everyday. It's so comfortable and soft. I just love it. We just left the gym. I'm getting ready to go and pick my babies up. DJ from wrestling, 7 from my mom's house. And then we're going to go home, and I am going on vacation on Saturday. So I'll be going to get my hair done tomorrow morning and probably going to the mall to try to find something to put together because I wasn't sure if I was going to go or not. So I didn't order anything. So I need like 3 outfits, and yeah, I don't have any. I think I'm going to make an outfit at home. Mix some stuff up that I got. And yeah, I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. I'm so excited to get my hair done. It's going to be different for me. I'm trying, like, not some color, because I've tried color before, but I'm, like, mixing in some color. I think it's going to be really cute. So, yeah, and then I'll probably go and get my feet done after I'm done with my hair. So, tomorrow should be fun and interesting. So I will see you guys in Vlogmas Day, whatever tomorrow is, because I don't know anymore. Bye. Good night. Thank you for watching. And if you're new here, I'm Denise and you love me. So subscribe because I love you too.